Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is a blow dryer that's used to blow dry your hair. If you guys want to use it for something else, you guys can definitely use it as well. But for this one in particular, it is a Ionic hair dryer technology that's built into the product itself, which is super awesome. And it's also supposed to have a concentrator that's built on the actual product itself as well. And we took a look on the side right here. They mentioned some of the features and specification on the actual product itself right here. But first thing first, let's actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. So when you guys first open it up, it should look something like this. So they do provide you guys a little thank you card right here, and also instruction manual as well. They teach you guys how to kind of use it. And then right underneath that, you guys can see everything else inside here. So it looks like they provide you guys two of these hair clips that's in use. If you guys have long hair, then these are pretty useful. And then right here is basically the product itself. So right here, they do provide you guys a nozzle that's in use to put on the actual hair dryer itself. And I'll show you guys that in a second. Let me actually take this out and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. And this is basically the back part right here. So you do need to press the reset button when you first get it to activate it. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. So they do have the brand logo right there. They have a little hook option right here to hook it onto the wall if you guys want to use that option right there. Which is super nice because there are some blow dryers that does not have that option, which kind of sucks. Right here is basically where to put your hand to hold the product itself. It actually feels pretty nice. Very smooth kind of material right here. If you guys take a look right here, we do have the button controls. So there's two different speed levels right here, high and low. And right here we have two different temperature settings here. So when you guys turn it on, it will be at the cold setting. But once you guys push the button down, that will actually activate the high setting or the high temperature if you guys want to use that option. And this is basically where the air will actually come out from to blow out to blow dry your hair. And other side right here is the air inlet. So this is where producing the wind through here to blow dry onto this side right here. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually take out the nozzle and show you guys what that one looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like right here. So when you guys insert it, the air can come out from this side right here. And this is what the other side looks like. And putting on the product itself is pretty easy and very simple. All you need to do is go like this. Just snap it in, and it's all set. And the cool thing about this is the fact that it is rotatable, so you can move it like this, or move it the other way, however you guys want to. That's up to you guys. The motor and everything in terms of the technology that's built into the actual product itself is supposed to help you guys dry your hair faster. And then last but not least, obviously the product itself is super compact. You guys can see how small it is. Compared to other hair dryers out there in the market today, this is pretty small and compact, so you can bring this on the go. If you guys need to bring this when you're traveling or whatever, if they permit you guys to bring this on the airplane, that'd be awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually power it on and try it out for yourself and see how it works and when it actually works first. Alright, so what we want to do first is to plug it in. So let me plug it into outlet right here. And once you guys press on the reset button right here, then you can start using it. So all you guys need to do to turn it on is push it up like this. And then start using it. So this is high. This is low. If I want to change the temperature setting, all I need to do is press it down, and that will change it to like the hot temperature. If I press it again, that will actually change it to low. So I'm going to use this example to show you guys how strong the actual product itself is. So I'm going to turn it on low first, and then I'm going to turn it on high to show you guys how strong it is. Alright, let's do high. Alright, so you see that's actually pretty strong. So the moment I turned it on and try it out, I can definitely see and feel how powerful the wind is. It actually heats up really fast. It literally heats up within like a few seconds. I can feel like the hot air that comes out of the actual hair dryer or blow dryer itself. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we took unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like blow dryer that's very similar to this one right here, where you have all the different features to increase the speed, change the different temperature setting, and the fact that if it has this hook option right here, and also the fact of whether or not the product itself is small and compact like this, is definitely super awesome and super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.